Now we will see how to perform the read operation. So read operation, there should be, you have to remember the theory that for read operation what happened, that if we want, if the previous value here stored value is 1 and then opposite value will be stored here, so based on the values, if we will precharge this BL and BLB to 1.8, now here 1 is stored and that is 1.8, so the potential difference here is the same, so BL will not discharge. Okay, and while what happened here, that we will recharge the BLB to 1.8, then due to the voltage difference between the 2 points QB and BLB, this transistor becomes on due to where, because it is here it is 1, so the stored value, the precharge value at BLB will pass through this transistor and will drop to the 0. So here we have to observe in our waveform that for read 1 BLB bit discharge and for read 0 BL bit discharge. So here what we have to set, we have to go to the stimuli and then disable the BL and BLB. So we will disable the BL and BLBs. Now simulation convergence at initial condition. Let Q is 0 and QB is 1. So what we will do, we will recharge 1 BL and BLB to 1.8. So we have recharged, then what happens? Now here we can see that Q is was 0 and QB was 1, so that we can get 1 and 0 respectively. Now we precharge the BL and BLB both to the 1.8, but here you can get that BLB is still precharged to 1.8, but BL that is precharged to 1.8 will drop to the 0. So here we can see that charge has been dropped down to 0. So if BL is discharging, so that we can say that read 1 operation is successfully performed. Here we can also that Q value is 0. This is some, we can say that glitch or something spike, that is due to the drive matlab drop, the time taken to drop. So there will, that is called short channel, where that we have learned that at some time both the transistor are gone. So this is theoretical part that we have to learn, find the reason. Okay, so this is a read operation. Now the, sorry, this is a read 0 operation. Now if we will put the opposite value in simulation convergence and initial condition, if we will put Q to the 1.8, apply, and QB to the 0, then now PLB bit discharge. So here you can see that previously BL was discharging, now BLB is discharged, while the Q value is 1.8, QB is 1. So from both these graphs we can see that what's the value written in the memory. So here we have performed both the read and write operations for both the bits, read 0 read 1 and write 0 write 1. So this is the complete operation of 60 SRAM cells. Okay.